guys, slow down. Two guys on crotch rockets behind me. Hey, I got you on McKim. Well, I need state patrol.
Okay, where are you at?
Well, I'm on 39, getting ready to drop down. I'm going to pull off here at the cemetery first so I don't lose you. On 39 here, just outside of Sherridsville. Want to report two guys on crotch rockets past me going up the hill out of Sherridsville. I was going 45 and they passed me like I was sitting still. They're in a hurry, if you know what I mean.
Okay, are they heading towards New Philly or heading towards like Delroy?
Heading towards New Philly.
New Philly, okay. I can get you transferred.
And I pulled off here by the cemetery.
Patrol dispatcher Keyterberg, can I help?
Yeah.
Transfer. Go ahead, sir.
Okay, hi, yeah, this is Robert McKim of the CAER Security Radio Patrol. I wanted to report two guys on crotch rockets going high rate of speed on 39 heading towards New Philadelphia. They're probably by this time down around well